Na-experience mo na ba na parang meron kang ginagawa pero okay naman yung sahod, okay naman yung income, but parang may kulang pa rin sa buhay mo? Did you know the reason there is that hindi siya tugma sa values mo? Alam mo ba, values are deep-seated filters natin. And yung mga values natin, ito yung nagdidikta kung you are in alignment with what you do. Now, the question here is, how do you discover your values? I want you to do this. Think of a current area of your life that you want to get your values so that alam mo yung mga values mo. What you do is, think about this. What's important to you in that area of your life right now? So when you elicit all those values in that area of your life, write it down, isulat mo siya. Then the next thing that you do is i-rank mo ano ba yung pinaka-importante sa'yo sa lahat ng sinulat mo dyan. Usually, the top 5 na sinulat mo, yun yung nagdidikta sa buhay mo. Imagine pag hindi mo alam yung values mo. Let's say in career, in business, in relationships, in health and fitness. Kaya hindi mo naintindihan bakit nagkakaganyan ka. But what would happen if you finally understood what's really important to you so that you can direct your actions that is in alignment towards your values. Now, if you want to learn more, message me and I'll tell you how to go about it. If you want to learn it and you want to also use it as a coach, as a therapist, as a teacher, no? Or as a business owner, this is very beneficial sa'yo. Sobrang practical ng tool na to kasi it helped me also discover what's causing me to sabotage myself. I realized that all the while, I was the one doing it on myself. And when I realized that, alam ko na saan babaguhin and what to change. Now, what would happen if you also know the tools that you can use anytime to help you and be more successful in your life? So God bless and have a great week ahead.